Hi there! Today we're sharing how you can make and order your own chest from Lego Fortnite. Let's jump right into the build. All done. Let's do a quick showcase. I love the way the chest looks, but just one thing to note. The chest needs to be slightly disassembled to open. As you can see, once the chest is fully closed, it'll be hard to reopen it. I kept the chest as close as possible to the game's version, but wanted to keep a play function as well. A small compromise, but otherwise I'm super happy with the result, and the hinge function is still intact. As usual, I'm sharing the parts list through Bricklink. You can order your own parts in just a few minutes. See the description where you'll also find a quick guide on how to use Bricklink. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like, you can support our small channel by using code MyCat in the item shop. Thanks again, and until next time, bye for now.